kitchen dining
That's so much better, isn't it?
You!
Wait, that bedroom is...
Crack a smile as his outer shell breaks away. You! Revealing a hidden 7, which is nude trouble. You! How is opening lipsticks making me sneeze? Ugh. We have... I'm gonna sneeze. You! There's one.
Go red, I want to go red. Red is dead. You've got to buy it now, you sneeze on it. You have to buy that now, you just sneeze on it, buy it, you have to buy it.
Lego. Go on, love.
You!
Bless you.
Just one big one for me. So, day 1, I'm gonna sneeze.
Say pineapple. Pineapple.
Pineapple! Mock.
Well, yeah. Say pineapple.
You, pineapple.
No, you can't say it after. No, but as in like...
You! Hello everybody. Small cheeks. I'm gonna sneeze, I think. You! Really went for that. Don't you just hate when you're around people you don't really know and you can't fully go for a sneeze, you can't fully commit into the sneeze, so you kind of withhold your sneeze and you kind of end up just going, it's like the worst. It's such a waste of a sneeze. Concealer, get a sneeze. You. You. Oh, bless you. Now with it. It also smells like... I'm gonna sneeze. Chew! Chew! It also smells very strong. Wasn't quite prepared for that. Sorry, nostrils. It also... Okay. I'm gonna sneeze. Chew! Anyway, I'm gonna put these in a vase and I'm gonna show you what they look like.
So much better, isn't it?
You!
Pineapple.
Pineapple!